This afternoon, LA County's juvenile justice system under fire, accused of having what some call appalling conditions. And now it's dealing with the death of a young man.
That's right. He died at a facility in Sylmar, believed to be the victim of an overdose. KCAL News reporter Jeff Nguyen is live there with the details for us. Jeff.
Amy and Susie, the probation department is not sharing any information about the young man who died, and this comes at a time when LA County is on the defensive about the conditions at juvenile halls. A coroner's van pulled into the Barry J. Nidorf Juvenile Hall in Sylmar, where the LA County Probation Department says a young man was found dead from an overdose this morning. A spokesman for the department says the nursing staff immediately administered emergency services, including the anti-overdose medication Narcan. Recently, an inspector general's report expressed concerns about the spread of the opioid fentanyl at juvenile facilities.
It's an ongoing problem. I don't want to comment on individual cases, but it is not a historical problem that happened a long time ago, as we know from the fatality we had this morning, which is a horrible tragedy. But it's not our first overdose.
The report pointed to 2 recent cases of detainees being treated for possible overdoses. A search in early March found several pills laced with fentanyl and 2 large bundles of what appeared to be fentanyl inside a dormitory. The Inspector General of LA County says illegal drugs can make their way into the halls through a variety of ways.
Staff can bring them in, family members can bring them in to come and visit. Sometimes even thrown over the walls.
The county is currently in a legal battle with the state attorney general's office. Last month, Rob Bonta slammed the conditions at the facilities as appalling and filed court papers seeking to force the county to immediately remedy illegal and unsafe conditions. And last week, the LA County Board of Supervisors approved a motion to overhaul juvenile operations that included moving detainees who have not been sentenced to Los Padrinos Juvenile Hall, enlisting sheriff's reserves to enhance probation staffing and create a medical hub for all county juvenile facilities. Supervisor Catherine Barger released a statement that read in part, "This young person's death is devastating and inexcusable. I want a thorough and expedient investigation to understand all of the facts about this young man's death." And the probation department says that the family of the young man who died has been notified, and the agency is cooperating with law enforcement during the investigation into this incident. We are live in Sylmar. Jeff Nguyen, KCAL News.